All right, so day one, tree bucket. All right, something is wrong with the global snow production, and you've been selected to take a look. The elves have given you a map. On it, they've used stars to mark the top 50 locations that are likely to be having problems. Yes, I know what a tree bucket is, okay? Don't worry. We're going to call it a tree bucket, and you're going to be okay with it, all right? Okay, don't even try. Don't even try. You've been doing this long enough to know that to restore the snow operations, you'll need to check all 50 stars by December 25th. I love this. Collect the stars by solving problems. Two puzzles will be made available each day in Advent calendar. The second puzzle is unlocked when you complete the first. Each puzzle grants 1 star. Good luck. He's not even, I've noticed that he's not even making, because every year, usually how the stars come about are some sort of like cutesy story. We're not even getting a cutesy story this year. This year, it's just like, you know what's going to happen. You already know. Let's just move this out of the way. Storytelling skills. Not there this year. You try to ask why you can't just use a weather machine. Not powerful enough. And where they're even sending you, the sky, and why your map looks mostly blank. You sure ask a lot of questions. And hang on. Did you just say the sky? Of course. Where do you think snow comes from? I mean, this is a fact. You can't even argue with it. And when you realize that elves are already loading you into the tree bucket, please hold still. We need to strap you in. All right, this is exciting. As they're making the final adjustments, they discover that their calibration document, your puzzle input, has been amended by a very young elf who was apparently just excited to show off her art skills. Consequently, the elves are having trouble reading the values on the document. The newly improved calibration document consists of lines of text. Each line originally contained a specific calibration value that the elves now need to recover. On each line, the calibration value can be found by combining the first digit and the last digit in that order to form a single 2-digit number. Okay, this feels easy. All right, so that's 1, 2, that's 12, 38, 25, 7? Oh, and 77. Okay, cool. Adding these together produces 142. Consider your entire, okay, so I could do this maybe in 0 seconds in another language. But it looks like we're doing OCaml. I am not necessarily excited about how bad it's going to be. Dude, I could do this in core utils. I wonder, I mean, I would just have to do a little bit of regex magic, but yeah, it shouldn't be, like, you should be able to do this in core utils. I assume awk would allow you to grab some things out. I just haven't, my awk skills and my regex skills aren't that good. Awkward. Like, I'd have to do a lazy grab of the first digit, and then I'd have to do a greedy grab of the last one. And then, like, that's it. That'd be like 2 greps. Said is enough. Yeah, you could set it. You could set it really easy. Anyways, we're not doing that. But again, I don't know how to do the first and last grabs in regex. All right, anyways. What about 7? First and last grabs. Easy. First and last grabs. PHP explodes supremacy. Yeah, that's what she said. All right. I couldn't get part 2 was said. Oh, interesting. Okay, anyways. Enough of this crap. Okay, so let's start by going like this. Iterate over a string OCaml. Well, first, let's make sure I can even launch OCaml. Personal make dir AOC. Oh, actually, don't I have a GitHub, the Primogen, AOC? I do have an AOC. Can somebody make me a great logo that involves Alexandria Ocasio-Cortez in here? I think it would just be so funny. I think I would just have such a good time if you could make a good one. Like, somehow give her a Santa hat, programming at a computer, like Dolly it. Like, I feel like if you put those two things together, it's just so funny. Like, that's what I'm going to laugh at. All right, anyways. All right, so we have this. So I should probably clone this thing down. Do I even have AOC? AOC. I bet you I have AOC. AOC zig. Get clone that thing. All right, AOC. Let's go. Let's get check out 20. Get. I guess. Do I even need? I don't really need anything else. RM. Oh, I did it with. Dude. I did it crazy. 2021. I did it with. What's the Ethereum contract's name is? Selenium. Whatever. Solidity. I did it with Solidity. Crushed it. All right. I'm just gonna RM. I'm gonna just RM RF just all the things. Can I just? What is it? There we go. Oh, I was hoping that would work, and then I don't delete anything. Yes, of course. All right, there we go. I just destroyed my Git suppository though. Git init, Git add. What is it? Git remote add origin. Whoopsie daisies. Git checkout 2023. All right. There we go. My bad on that one. Why can't I push to that? Failed to push to this. Wait, what? Error source ref spec does not match any. What are you talking about? Aren't I pushing just a new value here? I don't even know what that means. Am I stupid? Am I dumb? I don't know what just happened there. I'm just gonna pretend like I knew what happened. Set upstream? I know, but I just don't want to have to go like that. Can't I just do that? See, I don't want to delete all the files because I don't want to delete whatever just happened there. I'm sure there's a nice way. I'm sure you guys have a nice way of doing this. Okay, there we go. What was that problem, by the way? What was the problem? The upstream? Okay. Git issue. That was a Git issue. I've never been in that problem. Oh, I had to fetch, didn't I? I had to fetch. Yeah, there's no commit and I had to fetch. I wasn't based off anything. Yeah. I'm a dum-dum. Let it go. Just let it go. Let it go. Let it go, people. Let it go. Lemelius, thank you very much. And Buhave, appreciate that. Rainbow Apps, let's go. And Panda Coder. You know I appreciate that. You're trying. I'm just trying my best. Okay, so I have to go like this. Let's go initialize new OCaml project. I know, Dylan, you have a great starter kit. I don't want to do the starter kit. Okay? I don't want to do the starter kit. How does one create a proper... I just assume it's Dune init. It's Dune init, right? Hey, I recognize somebody right here from the internets. There's also a minimal example. Nice. Let's go to Dune. Let's see what we got here. Dune project. Okay, so we can just do all that, but I would like... Okay, so this would be like the world's smallest version of how to get everything started. Dune knows OCaml and its ecosystem. Okay. Okay. Infinite Looped and Nerd Street. Appreciate that. Dude, Infinite Loop, thanks for the 6 months. Beat those Doonies. I don't have any skills. I'll be doing this in JS with you. Okay, well, explore a little bit. Don't feel... Oh, my goodness. TJ, what'd you say? Dune init project AOC. Okay, yeah. Dune init project AOC. All right, there we go. Well, I didn't want that. Can I just do that? Pippo, appreciate that. I do. How did... Let's see that. Oh, my goodness. What is wrong with my voice? Sorry, I got the RSV. I got that RSV. And the worst part about RSV, it's RSV is not like it doesn't. It's totally lame, and you're not like sick. You're just like slightly tender in the lungs, and then I have to be like, oh, coming to your house and yeah, get RSV'd on. Feel sorry? Don't feel sorry for me. It's nothing. This is a great conference. I thought I had to know it all after 6 months of an internship. Oh, you shouldn't have to know everything. All right. So this looks good. We go to lib, right? Okay, so that's where we... Okay, so lib contains that. Bin contains my main. We'll just start here. Try calling Dune build. Okay, Dune build. All right, let's just make sure that this is here. All right, perfect. Let's go Dune exec... I think I have to go like that. Is that how we do it? No. What? AOC? Okay. So we got that first one. Really silly virus. It literally is like, unless if you're a baby, RSV is completely just annoying. That's all it is. It's just so stupid. Okay, so I still don't quite get how projects are structured in, Yeah. I saw that. Dune exec. Yep. I remember that. No, I remember this. It's starting to come back to me. You died? You died at the age of 25? Well, hey, sorry that you died. Thanks for chatting, though. Thanks for being a chatter here. I don't want to. No, I saw this. This is Dylan Mulroy's. By the way, if you're doing this, you should totally use his. I'm trying to learn OCaml, so I want to understand how to set up a project. And so part of AOC is learning how to have multiple days and multiple inputs, how to organize stuff, and I'll kind of discover it as I go on. You know. Sorry you died. Yeah, sorry you died. I appreciate you. All right, so now that we have that done. All right, so this is I think okay. So I generally kind of understand the thing. So now let's start with how to read a file. I remember reading a file in OCaml. I've done it once before. So I don't think it's crazy reading. Yeah, you do it. Let's see. You open an in channel. That's right. I've done this in channels. All right. Can we get some examples? Okay. Let's see. Let this one. Let open out. So we gotta do. Let's see. File message. Let OC equals open out file. Creates trunk card file. Let's see. Printf message. Okay, print it into that. That's a file print. Okay, file print into here. Close it out. Okay, cool. Open in file. Okay, try. Let line equals input line. Yep. You did your in channel. You read a line. You print the line. You flush it out. You close it. Okay. Okay, that looks pretty standard. That doesn't look too crazy. What the heck? Dude, the comment syntax is one of the only true downfalls of OCaml. The fact that this is comments, this is truly a disaster. Brother. Okay, so this all looks pretty standard reading of a file. I don't think anyone... I assume no one's confused with how to read this file, right? Let's see. Okay, so how do we specify main? Day one. Can I just do something like this? Uh-oh. Yeah. Does that still work? Okay, cool. Yeah, that's unused. Okay. And now I wonder where the input is. Let's go like this. I wonder where the input file goes. Where is reading considered from, right? Because sometimes, so I'll just first start here. Nice. Okay, so reading. Okay, cool. So reading is from wherever I execute, I assume. It's from the root of the project or wherever I execute. So okay. We're kind of getting this. So now that we have that, throw that in a while loop. Should be pretty straightforward. So how do we do a little while loop here? What's the... Oh, I got to use... Look at this. Hey, everybody. Harpoon 2. We're using Harpoon 2. All right, so... You don't do a while loop. I mean, you can. but you're supposed to not do it, right? You're supposed to do a function that reads a line. You got to keep calling yourself, right? You want to keep calling yourself as a function, right? Let or read file, or I guess I'll just call it one. Input equals yeah. Input. I'm gonna call this input file. And so we're gonna definitely want to do a little. I'll do a little open right here. We'll open it up. Okay. We're doing this. We're doing this, people. Actually, I want to go like this. I want to pass in the IC. Right? Pass in the input channel, right? And then I would keep on. I'd recursively call myself, right? See, this is where this is where my this is where my brain falls apart. Yeah, I mean, I could do that. I would read the lines into a list. I know, but why? Aren't we supposed to be, like, lazy? Why would you put it all into a list? It's already in a list. That's just read line order. It's already in a list. Bro, we're trying to be functional, bro. Why are you being like this? Okay, no, don't do that. Don't do that. Don't do that. All right, so, okay, this looks beautiful. So we should be able to read a line, right? And then there's a way to do like a, what is a match statement? A match statement, or read line by line file OCaml. I know there's a match statement. You can do a recursive. I just want, I'm trying, TJ. I'm trying to just fully adopt. See, I don't want to do this. This is what I'm trying not to do. This is the list constructor, right? This is the list constructor. Hey, thank you. I'm a meat popsicle. All right. Again, I recognize the guy from Twitter. Is this just people I recognize from Twitter? Is this what we're having right now? Is this just people on Twitch and Twitter? There we go. Let lines file match file with dash in channel input alt lines file input binary file. Okay. Optional split contents. Isn't there a way to read it line by line? I know there's a way to do like a match. Oh, is that Mulroy? I thought I saw a Mulroy in there. A little Dylan Mulroy. I would not do. Let's see. I would not say do everything recursive and is the OCaml way. Utilize standard libs list module, input channel module, and input channel module. Okay. What does that mean? Can you show me something what that means, Dylan? Because I'm just trying to do everything like how I would guess it's done. Because I just don't even have like a place in my brain. I forgot. What is your auto completion? Is it Copilot? I do have Copilot. I know, but why do that? Are you acoustic? I am acoustic. I'm a bit acoustic. I'm sure I am. The problem about being acoustic is that about 95% of Twitter thinks they're acoustic. All right. Okay. Well, how are you guys reading code? All right. Read line. Okay. Inline fun channel. In channel input all channel. Let's see. String split lines. I don't really want to do that. Let's see. Prime. What is the color scheme using? Something. I'm neurodivergent. Yeah. There you go. You got it. Yeah. Okay. So this is what I like. I like what's going on here. That's kind of what my head is trying to do. Match input channel, print line, print channel, exception, input. Oh my goodness. Dude, I didn't realize you could throw. I did not know that you. What is this? I didn't know you could put exceptions in match statements. that is super cool. Well, that is super cool, okay? All right, so I'm just saying that's super cool. All right. So that means I'd go... Why is it indenting all goofy? There we go. So that means I'd go print file IC, right? Hold on. All right, cool. So this one I print end line, and then I print file channel. Okay, so this is kind of like in my head what I wanted to do. Okay, so how does this work? So we open up a thing, we do an open in with the file, then we call print file. Print file is a recursive function that matches the input line with, using input line. I don't really know what input line really is. Reads a character from the given output line or input channel until a new line character is encountered, returns the string of all the characters read without the new line character at the end. Okay, and so we just hand it a channel, it does that. If we get a line, we do that. It's a nice string, we print it out, and then we recall channel again. Once we hit the end of the file and we do this exception, then we're done. Okay, I like that. I like this. I mean, honestly, that's super cool. Grillick, you sent me some. Hold on for a moment. Try Jai. He doesn't really want to use that quite yet for the thing. Okay, so how do I want to do this? Okay, so this is in my head. This is how I would solve this problem in my limited OCaml experience. Is that I would have something. I'm going to turn. I don't know why I call it the solve day 1, part 1, right? I don't know what this is. Okay, anyways. Damn it, Nightshade Dude. Damn it, Nightshade Dude. The worst part about it being acoustic is people complain about how it affects your productivity, and you should take drugs for it. I am completely happy with it, and I feel... Yeah, I think there's a lot of people that fall on both sides of this. This is true. I definitely feel on the much more happy side that I don't take anything. I thought you were an OCaml expert. No, I'm not an OCaml expert. I just love the idea of an OCaml because it's the things I want. Okay, so we see this. So what I would probably want to do is now I think you can wrap this with a block, right? No, you can't wrap this with the block. You don't even have to wrap this with the block, right? Because I don't want to have to, right? I don't want to have to do that. Can I want to be able to take this thing, and we should have a sum. I don't think you use semicolons in here, right? Sum plus what's it called? Value. We'll call it value, right? So now at this point, I need to be able to get first character or get first digit and get last digit, right? I don't know how to do those things yet. So let first digit equals int of char line 0. Interesting. Okay, so there's int of char, and then you can index into a line. That's cool. I did not know that. So I have to find it in there. So let's see. Find first digit in string. OCaml. What the hell is that common syntax? I don't know. It's cursed. It is literally a curse. Deacon, G-bar, thank you. Module string. I don't really know how to use modules either. I mean, I did at one point. I understood them, but now I just don't. Strings. A string of S of length n is an indexable, immutable sequence of bytes. Okay, it's indexable. For historical reasons, these bytes are referred to as characters. Okay, yep. They're not quite characters. Can you, like, search? Is there, like, a first, concat, cat, equals, compare, starts with, ends with, contains, reverse contains? Contains from S, starts with C is true if and only C appears after S position. Or is there like an index of? I'm looking for like effectively an index of. Right? I don't want to do any of those things yet. Split on character, transforming, map I, fold left, fold right. trim, escaped. Is there like a get? Index from? Index from SIC is the index of the first occurrence of C in S after position I. Okay. There's a reverse index. So these are okay, so this is kind of what I want. Like, this is close to what I want. But I feel like I need like a function, like a filter function, as opposed to this. Maybe that's not the way I should be doing that. I don't know. C in S means char and string. I think so. I think scanf can find ints for you. Can it do it backwards though? Can you search with the regex? I don't even know. Yes, you can do loops and everything. First stream, hello YouTube. Well, hey, maybe walk the we can literally walk the char. I'm just trying to find it. I'm just trying to see, is there a function in which makes sense? Like, there must be a function in which I can say like does the word digit appear in here? Okay. Because I know I want to use something like R-index, because that feels right. You know, I want to use something like R-index, and yeah, like exactly. That feels like what I want. You could turn the list, you could turn the string into a list and use list.find. Is there rfind? And typically, don't I want to use like the Jane Street standard? I want to use base, right? I bet you there's rfind. Oh, no, there wouldn't be rfind. There would not be rfind because it's literally a linked list. Yeah, it's literally a linked list. Yeah. Hey, Prime, I love your streams. Well, thank you. Jane Street is the best. Yeah. Find, reverse find? Yeah, rfind is reverse find. Typically, that means you could just search from the back, so that way you don't... Base doesn't differ that much with the list APIs. Okay. Also gives the corresponding index. Okay, interesting. Index from. See, again, it's not character. See, all these index froms and R-index, right? I'm just gonna search up R-index. Like they all, none of them take a function in. Because I don't know how to like pass in the character that I want. And I'm not gonna call it 10 times. Right? Okay. All right. Let's ask ChatGPT. How do I look? By the way, you'll see up here me trying to Joe Biden joke. Okay, this was because I wanted to troll somebody. Okay, shut up. How do I search? Through a string in OCaml? Someone said they were a robot. Said they weren't a robot. So I said, prove it. Let's see. How do I search through a string in OCaml looking for the first digit? Let's see. In OCaml, searching through a string to find the digit can be achieved with the iterating character of the string. Yeah, I mean, let's see. Char is digit. Oh, cool. Okay, so there is a char is digit. First, let's find the first character of a string. String. Let aux I. If I is less than string length. Oh, wow, we're doing this interestingly enough. String length, then none. No digits found. If char is digit, then found. Okay, cool. So we could write these two functions. Okay. Interesting. Hey, at least it's using, like, aux is something people use frequently, right? So this isn't the craziest way. Is this just a crazy way? Dylan, is this just absolutely crazy? I'm sure it can let me split the string into a list of characters, but I don't want to do that. I feel Ragel, Moke, appreciate that. It just makes me feel dirty doing that. Is it just me? Or does it feel dirty? Find first digit. All right. So now I need to import char. Wait, really? Are you telling me that it doesn't have is digit? Have I been ChatGPT'd? OCaml. For part 1, string fold left did a lot of heavy lifting for you. I think it's just you. You're going to turn basically all of them into digits anyways. Well, I want to see, does it have like an is digit? Is digit, does the word digit even appear in here? So digit does not even appear in here. Really? You're going to have to be reinventing a lot of the wheel if you don't use base. Gypsy assumes you have it. Base is chars, is digit, and okay, so, all right, so how do I use base? I know I've used it once before a long time ago. I believe if I go to bin and I go into this one, right? Yeah, we're going to want those ones. Do I need to add the word base in here? Drop the base, get based. Right? That's so based. I know. Thank you. Yeah. Project, let's see. Yeah, based. Dune build, opam install, depths only. Okay, try a little opam install. Opam install, depths only. I have an opam update. We'll do a little opam update, okay? We'll do a little opam update. Base is not, being based is not, yeah, dude, it's been a while. It's been a while. Like I said, I haven't used OCaml. I did OCaml for like what? A week? A few days. I built something small. Actually, I thought I built something kind of nice. OPAM upgrade. I built a little LSP file parser, and I was very happy with it. I was very, very happy with it. But still, like, my understanding of OCaml sucks. I just know I know I would like the language. See, these are things, this is so cool. This is so cool. This is just so effing cool. This is why I already know there's these little things I see in the language, and I just think they're so, gosh dang, they're just so dang nice. I know everyone's like, don't reinvent the wheel. Why not? Okay, we're gonna reinvent the wheel for a little bit. Look at that. Look at that beauty. Look at that beauty. I mean, I do love that. I do love that, by the way. Okay? I'm actually completely not opposed to reinventing the wheel when you're first learning. I think it's good for you. I know that is like that is a ballsy take. Some might call that a ballsy take. Let's go like this. Is a digit. Okay, I like it. Unbased though, I agree. Sometimes you gotta fail a bunch. I find that I learn the best when I learn how to do it the wrong way, and then I learn how to do it the wrong way, and then after learning how to do it the wrong way, I see how people do it the right way, and then I love it. So after we get done doing this, I'm then gonna go review TJ's and Dylan's solution to day 1 and 2, right? Because then I learn from somebody. I figured out my way to do it, and then I learn from somebody else's way to do it. I don't know. It's just that's the way. It's just the way that that's how I learned. I mean, that's how I learned Rust, and it really made it really easy for me to understand Rust. At least that's how I felt. All right, I'm gonna do something real shitty here. Find last digit. You like that one? You like that one? You like that one? You dirty dog. Does that mean I need to go like something like string.length stir? I think I have to surround this with the parenthesis, right? Yeah. All right, so while it's, I think that's right. Do I have to do something like that? I think so. OCaml, let's see, banned for backseat programming. Do you plan on uploading? Yes, I'll upload. Yes, this will be going to the Vimogen. That's why I have alerts off, just so it's not super distracting for everyone. All right, so this totally sucks, but we're going to do this. We're just going to make this thing work. All right, we're making it work, people. Find first digit, line. First, what just happened? First, last, oh my goodness, not capital letters. There we go. first digit plus last digit. There we go. Let's see. The expression, let's see, has type int, but the expression was of type int. I think I just shit my pants. Oh, it's an option. It's an option. It's an option. It's an option. Okay, so I don't think I need to make it an option. I don't think I need to make it an option. For right now, I'm just going to go like this. I'm just going to go like this. For right now, I'm just going to... I assume this should never happen, right? This should never happen. Can I print something out if this happens? Is there like a print end line, no digit found, just in case this happens? All right. All right, this is that weird part where I don't know how this thing works. You can do arrays. I don't want to do arrays. It shouldn't happen based on the description. All right, fine. I'll just do this for now. There we go. I'm just going to do this for now. What kind of indenting was that? All right. Is there a string from to? Is there like a, okay. To string OCaml. I'm sure there's like some. Yes, this. Do I have to use do I have to use sprintf, or can I use something different? Is there must be like a, I bet you there's like an int2 string. Int2 string that. Oh. Yeah, there you go. Dude, I love the type system. Did you guys just catch that? Did you guys catch the type system there? So for those that didn't catch the type system, I'm not good at reading it yet, but I do love the fact that it was just like the expression as type unit, but it was expected of an int, which made me go, okay, that means I'm returning a unit somewhere. Of course, that's the unit. I need to return the int, not a unit. Boom. I love the idea. Like, again, I'm terrible at it. I just love the idea. Index out of bounds. Okay, so I must have done one thing incorrectly. Is there a way to get a stack trace? Because I'm sure it's... My guess is it's this one. My guess is it's this one right here. Right? My guess is that there's some sort of print line that I've done wrong. Right? Can I just go like this? Can I just put multiple things in there? No, I can't put multiple things in there. Does that mean I need to do some sort of sprintf? -1? Am I missing the -1? I have it right here. All right. All right, how do I do the sprintfing? I have two ints, and I want to print the line end line. Is it format print? Is it really something as simple as format print? Print and along with the kind of cache of printf. Okay, so it is just printf. Is it format? Oh, look at that. You can just add them all together. Printf. Is it printf or is it format? I don't think I have either of those. I don't have format, all that. Do I have to do something like open base? Is that something you have to do at like the tippity top? How do you open base? Open based, touch base. Ooh, I've been always wanting to touch the base. Format printf is there. Okay, maybe it's just because I had that error. Here, there you go. Why is it still saying no information available? I feel like you do know. What is this syntax? Let's just see what it says. What? What? That's not right. How did I get a 4? Where the hell did I get a 4 at? How did I get a 4? Oh, it's the index. How does... Dude, how do I use... Dude, I don't know how to use the standard library. Don't know how to use the standard effing library. Okay, a mistake I'd totally make, yeah. Dude, I feel like so stupid. Just what the hell's the function called? Where's the autocomplete? I'm quitting. Thank you, autocomplete. Welcome back. Welcome back, LSP. Let's see. Is there like a 2? Is there a code? Don't get rage quit. Get int of char. Is that like a thing? Oh yeah, int of char. That's right. Int of char is a thing, huh? Yes, it is a thing. Don't worry, we're not rage quitting. That's its ASCII value, isn't it? I just want the... I gotta parse the effing int. Okay, how do I parse the effing int? Oh, camel. Those ASCII values, a pain in the ASCII values. All right, I'm not subtracting 0. I'm not gonna subtract 0. Int of string is int of string. Oh yeah, that's good. That's a good call. But this is the problem. Is this is a char? I need. Let's see. How do you parse int from char? Get digit. Yeah, but that's from base, right? Hey, yo, don't be saying anything. Don't be saying anything. Why would you do that? Because now I know. Ugh. People are just so annoying. Okay, dude, this is, I am not going to do this. I refuse to subtract 0. I refuse to subtract 0. Just give me the effing digit value. I refuse to do this myself. Fine, whatever. That was a dick move, by the way. I just want you to know right now. Dick move. Okay? It's truly. All right. Dick move. My day is ruined. Day is actually ruined. Day ruined. Simple. It's been simple. It was always simple. The thing is, it was always simple. It's always been simple. Obviously, O Camel supremacy. First, O Camel. First try. Easy. Simple. Simple. I just want you to know that right now. Oh, everyone's like, oh, watch out. Here comes part 2. Oh, guess what? It's not simple. Your calculation isn't quite right. It looks like some of the digits are actually spelled out with letters. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Oh, gosh. Why do you... I physically hate you. Also count as valid digits. Equipped with this new information, you need to find the first real digits. 2, 1, 9. It's just like, why do you gotta be like that? This is just like pure... This is like this. This is just being a dick, okay? That's all it is. All right. I don't know how to do this, okay? I don't know how to do this. So, my guess is that there is string starts with, right? My guess is that I can I substring a string? Charoot? Are you guys charooting me? What are you charooting me about? This is okay. Oh, a lot of first-time chatters. Well, hello, Charoot! Charoot! Why is there so many charooters? Charoot! Charoot! Okay, so I actually think this is going to be easy. What the hell is happening here? Hey. Charoot! Charoot! Pirate Software. Well, Pirate Software, you're about to get... You're charooting me. I can feel it happening. Thor sent us? What happened? Thor sent us? Okay. Thor, go get him, Thor. Well, hey, thank you, everybody. I'll wait. Is he raiding me, or are you guys just... Did he just send you? Did he just rage quit and then send me... I've rage quit. I think rage quitting is a great... I think he's great. Okay, he's just doing that. Oh, no, first off, I'm not cool. He's actually cool. He's a talented man with a beautiful voice, okay? So, just know that. Okay, I don't have a beautiful voice. Do you hear this? I sound like a cartoon character. And I have RSV right now, so I sound like a cartoon character that also... I'm like the annoying voice cartoon character right now, okay? It feels. All right. I don't feel that song. Okay, so let me tell you what we're doing. You mean like Ben Shapiro? Shut up! Stop bullying me! I don't sound like him. People always be bullying me. They always be bullying me. Okay, so here, I'll tell you a little secret about everything, okay? But facts really don't care about your feelings. It's true. Facts don't care about your feelings. Stop calling me out! You're bullying me. So for those that are just joining us, for whatever reason, Thor, a very nice shout out. Appreciate that, Thor. Thor's a great guy. If you haven't checked out Thor, you're a dum-dum. When I say Thor, it's actually shout out Pirate Software, okay? Oh, he didn't come up as autocomplete. He and I were a part of the old school set, so you'll have to dismiss this. Here, get the hell out of here. Unpin this message. Hold on. Dang it, I just want to see the thing I put up. Just let me see the thing I put up. Twitch. Gosh. Dude, I hate the fact that it's impossible to use the chat. Chat is just genuinely impossible to use all the time. Subs are hot. Subs are hot. Thank you, Alir. All right, let's try this again. Gosh, I hate my life. I hate it. I hate this. All right, there you go. Check out Pirate Software because I don't know, F you. Twitch chat. Okay, so let me tell you a little something. Back in the day, about 6 years ago when I first started streaming, Pirate Software was also streaming. He was probably streaming for just a touch longer than I was, but man, back in the day, we used to have like 30 viewers, and we were like, hell yeah, we're like, I used to raid him with like 20 to 30 viewers, and we were like high-fiving each other. It was like the coolest days. Oh my goodness. I remember when I went this song is dope. We got all the way up to like 70, and those were wild days. Casey, Handmade Hero was there. Lana Lux was the tippity top, and the chickens, F the chickens. Everyone hated the chickens and earthquakes. Dude, it was great days. Great days. The lore, the olden days. I used to write software for like 3 hours in the evening, and then I'd play video games until like 4 in the morning. It's so good. I was there, dude. Good. Crows, you were there. Good times. Anyways, so your viewer count exploded after you taught chat how to use Selenium. No, that's not it. So then what happened afterwards is that I started making YouTube videos and then slowly started just growing, and I've just been on a slow grow. I don't think Pirate Software is rating us. I'm just giving the people that are here from it. And so that's effectively what happened. And then Pirate Software blew up, which is awesome. And now we live this amazingly cool time in software and tech. Like, I just want you to think about this for a second. Software and tech, like, at virtually no time in software and tech, where can I just see a channel in software and tech? I've virtually never, like, this is unheard of right now. This is unheard of. 13K viewers? That has literally never happened. Booba, wait, scroll back up. Wait a second, wait, what? I know, Pirate Software sitting at almost 6K, out of this world. Madhu Dev sitting at 2.5K. The Animal. I'm at the bippity bottom at 2.3K, but this is incredible, right? Like, this has never happened. You got to understand, like, this. Booba? No, Booba's fine. Booba's fine, Nightshade, dude. We can keep the Boobas going. Damn, chat is horny. Chat is horny. They like the Boobas, okay? And it's okay. Hot Tub Stream went. Anyways, so, like, this is incredible. For those that haven't been here during the old days, this is, like, the craziest thing I've ever seen. I remember back when it was science and tech, it was incredible to have 400 viewers that were not in earthquakes or chickens. Yeah, I've fumbled into this. Yeah, I know it's crazy, right? I don't know why you're a possible ban evader, but hey, yeah, dude. The Ducks, it was crazy. It was crazy. Booba's fine. I mean, obviously I'm a fan of Boobas, but I'm a fan of specifically two Boobas. Yeah, I am a fan of a very specific set of two Boobas. We'll have a game dev contest in January targeting newbies but also experienced programmers. If you're looking to start, join in. Don't feel discouraged. Exactly. Pirate Software and I believe, have a collaboration set up for January. I have one super secret collaboration set up in January. The Stock Guy and I believe, will have a super awesome collaboration in January. And if you don't know the stock guy right here. And who else? And then Theo and I are going to do something as well. Yeah, and Jason Dockton and I will do something in December. So I'll have, and then Casey Moratori wants to get on the stream as well. So we got a lot of cool collaborations in the next month. NeoVim Conf. Oh yeah, next weekend is NeoVim Conf. By the way, for those that don't know, NeoVim Conf live. I can't believe I forgot about this. I don't think Asman and I would even be able to do a collaboration. I don't even think I could do a collaboration. But the super secret collaboration is I'm the most excited about. If you... There we go. With Ninja? Yeah, Ninja. Okay, anyways. Very excited. There you go. That's what we're doing right now. Register for NeoVimConf. Pretty excited. Keynote. Dude, just... Oh, yeah, I forget. Dark Reader screws everything up. The site is not Dark Readers friendly. Justin is going to crush it, dude. Justin is very, very, very awesome. The state of NeoVim. He is the... You know, he's the guy that's leading the ship for NeoVim. He's going to be doing something great. Tej and I will be... Yeah, TJ... We'll be doing something awesome. And then you got a lot of really awesome people from the whole NeoVim community right here. Look at that. Got awesome people in here. Awesome. Awesome stuff going on here. A lot of cool talks. Ooh, who did I just recognize this guy? Yeah. John McBride, obviously very talented individual. Like, really cool set of people here. Yeah, we got a really, really, really cool set. Why should one use Vim? Well, if you go to her talk right here, why learn Vim at all? This is why. You will get this right here. You will learn. Better not get catfished. Okay, maybe some of them are AI. Maybe some of them are AI. Maybe all of them are AI because there are no people wanting to talk about NeoVim, okay? Maybe all of them are AI. Maybe they don't actually exist at all. Anna Boyle, we tried to get Anna Boyle. Dude, oh my goodness, TJ, we should put Anna Boyle on our site. Dang, why did I not think about that? TJ, why did we not put Anna Boyle on our site of people that are going to be speaking? Borrow the AI-generated person. Very special guest, Anna Boyle. Coder of Divine Fumbles. I appreciate the 6 months in advance. Mr. Khan, thank you. Kronos, thank you for that. I appreciate that. Oh my goodness, thank you very much. Make sure I didn't miss anybody. I know there's been a lot of it. Dude, because I don't want to get canceled for something completely stupid. Fair, stupid kid. I appreciate that. I realized today I work with someone who lives in Bozeman. I love Bozeman. Oh, I loved Bozeman. Vipitus, appreciate the Twitch Prime. And Hybrid Robotics, thank you for the brand new Tier 1 sorry. First time in stream. All right, let's get back in. Let's do this. I have not rage quit. So part 2 is going to be pretty easy, I think. Part 2 looks easy. All right. So, I'm not too worried about this. So my only question is one thing, which is part 2 is harder. I don't think part 2 is harder if I can do one thing, which is starts with. Like, can I do a match? Can I match on a string? Here, because here's my idea. Find first named int, right? And stir. So here's my question. Can I do something like this? Yeah, so I want to do something kind of like a little rec here. Rectum. All right, so what do we want to do here? I want to... Effectively, I just need to be able to do a match on the beginning part of the string, right? I need to be able to do something like a match string, like starting at I to the end. Is that possible? Is there like a string I to the end? Is I to the end a thing? Like, can I do a substring? Yeah, can I do a substring? Is there a slice? Use Rust. I don't want to use Rust. Is there a slice in it? You can do, let's see, hold on. You can do a, dude, shut up, chat. You can do a match X with, oh my goodness, dude, I literally can't find the fudging thing. Okay, here we go. When starts with stir prefix. This, let's see, this kind of thing, don't know what starts with, is in the regular standard lib. It is in the regular standard lib. It's off of string, right? String dot starts with is like a thing. So okay, hold on. I think I see what's happening here. Okay, hold on. Yeah, let's go like this. Okay. So I go like this, right? Starts with by the way, this is how you use Copilot, by the way, if you're wondering. This is the way to use Copilot. And then I would do, let's see, how do you do default case? What's the default case? There we go. Interesting. So okay, so I'm doing something wrong. I'm doing something wrong with it. Yeah. I got that part. You're not using the string. Oh. Oh, that's right. String. Oh, yeah. I could have done that way easier. I don't know why I did it that way. All right. Label prefix in the application is admitted in this function. Oh, I can't do it that way, right? I have to go like this, right? We'll just go like this, S. I think this is right? No, I'm still doing this wrong. Because this is like what I want to do, right? Maple Leaf is in here. What does the O and O camel stand for? Oh, there's a prefix. Read the signature again. Oh, my bad. Oh, starts with prefix is true. Oh, so I have to go like this. I have to go. I have to do prefix. Is it colon? Okay, so that's okay. So there's our first thing we need to solve, right? That's solving part one. Part two would be walking the string and passing in these named strings, right? Ah, look at this. Sub. Is sub a real thing here? That's kind of what I'm looking for. Sub. Int to int. Nice. Length 5. Oh, but we don't really want to do... Oh, wait. Is it really length? Let's see. Sub S position length. I don't like length. Is there one that's not length? Is there a substring without length? Because length is kind of annoying, right? Length is kind of annoying. Let's see. End of string, let's see, equals stir length. I need to do like is there a math? Is there a min function? Yeah. Min stir length versus I plus 5. No, 5. Yeah. That's what I want. I want end of stir because I need to do position length is end of string. Right? That's kind of how I would think of it. Started writing JS, dude. Okay, I'm writing JavaScript, okay? I'm writing JavaScript here, okay? I can't help it. Unlicensed regex? There's no regexing going on. Okay, so what am I doing wrong here? All right, this function applied to the argument has type int to string. So takes in 2 ints, return string. This argument cannot be applied with length. Okay, so... string int, right? So I go string int power set. Okay, min must not be doing what I thought it did. What? Por qué? Por qué? And min is scuffed. Too many parents. Okay. Oh, min is scuffed. Is it? Can I just do that? Okay, I still have a power set. How the hell do I have a power? Or how do I have a tuple? How did I get a tuple? What the hell's a tuple? You did a tuple, not an int. I know, but what? Oh gosh, I'm so stupid. Yes. I'm a dummy. Oh yeah. Okay, it's like it's right in front of me. It's right in front of me, and oh my goodness, it was right there. It was right there the whole time. All right. I never said this was going to be beautiful, okay? I never said anything about this being beautiful. All right? I want you to know that right now, that this was not a thing of beauty that was going to happen. Why are you getting indented so goofy sometimes? I never said this was... my solution for this is butt ugly. Okay, well, I think my solution is pretty much... Okay, interesting. So how do I want to do this? Let me think about this because I need to know which one comes first. I need to know which one comes first. So I feel like we got to do something like this, right? Do I do a -1? No, I do a 0. Okay, so I'm going to do something like this. I'm going to start returning a tuple. I think that's what I want to do. Right? Is that returning a tuple? Let's see. This expression int. Oh, do I have to put one of those? All right, so I'm going to start returning a tuple from this. Because that means, yeah, I'm returning a tuple of 2 ints. So I'm returning the position. So I have to take whatever has the smallest position. The solution is horrible with functional language. Can you display my keystrokes? Yeah. You need a 0 in your pattern match. Do I need 0? Did I miss 0? Try not to give me too many helpful hints, buddy. Okay? We don't want to be doing helpful hints, okay? This was surprisingly hard for day 1. Yeah, usually day 5 is the one of just a lot. This isn't hard. There's nothing hard about this problem. It's just that it's annoying. That's all it is super annoying. What about unhelpful hints? Yeah, you can do that. No 0. 0 is not needed. Is it? Is it not needed? Is it? Okay, 0 does not appear. 0 does not appear. Okay, yeah. 0 is not needed. Either way, careful, buddy. Careful, tough guy. All right, there we go. So we're returning tuples, and I'm going to return tuples from this thing as well, right? See, I still don't really understand OCaml. I honestly don't really understand what I'm doing. I feel pretty overwhelmed by what OCaml's doing, but I can kind of just like figure it out. You know what I mean? And then can I go like this? Can I destructure? Oh yeah, you can. Of course you can. Of course you can destructure. Of course you can destructure. What do you think? What kind of shitty language do you think this is? What do you think this is? What do you think this is? All right, there we go. So I think this is looking good. Which now I have to select. So how do I select which one? I need to... It's hard to understand functional languages when you come from OOP. Yeah, recursion doesn't bother me. I think long as you have a good data structure understanding, recursion is easy. It's just thinking recursively is really hard. It's true. Like solving something recursively I find very difficult. Well, you can't take min-max position. Min-max position isn't quite it. This is wizardry stream now, guys. Deal with it. This is wizardry. So I'm going to make one more function. Just deal with it. You guys wouldn't understand, okay? You just don't get it. You just don't get it. Min, what's it called? Min, what's the thing is? What's min position, right? And so I'm going to have A and B. I do love the type system. I do. I do love the type system. Oh my goodness. Dude, okay. Thank you for that. That was really genuinely awesome. Match A with this. It was close. It's not quite it. It's not quite it, right? It's close, but that was awesome. I'm happy with that. Okay. I'm happy with that. So I go, let's see, I go position, right? I go, oh, that's the position, right? I is right here. Oh, I guess I need I in value. I need I and value. I need to return the whole thing, huh? Yeah. I need to return the whole thing, right? -1. Yeah. I got to return that whole ass thing, right? The whole ass thing. I think that's how you do it. Can I just match without that? Is that like a thing? Can I just do that? Nice. All right, so now we need to do A and B. We need to do, hold on. We need to do, which position are we talking about? Because we covered the two missing cases. Now we need they now exist. So we'll call this A index. And then we'll have B index. Yeah. When A index is less than B index. Yeah. Then we return out A. This type of expression has A, B. Okay, we do want that. Really? Missing comma? I just have a missing comma? Is that all there is? Oh. Good call. Missing comma. That was very confusing. Typing based on syntax is very, very interesting. So I should be able to go like this. Honestly, I should be able to go like this. Min position. Oh my goodness, I can't even see it. I can't even see it. My key's in the way. Key's in the way. All right, so that should be it. That should be it. Start using some pipelines. I'm not ready for those. I'm not ready for those. We know I'm not ready for that. We know I'm not ready for that. There should, like, 16 shouldn't be a thing, right? 6 is a thing. It should be 76. 16 isn't a thing. Missing something really important. You dropped this. Oh, thank you, TJ. Hold on. Let's just see what happens. Let's just see what happens. Okay. We don't know if it's true. Okay. We don't know what I got here. Oh, hold on. I got 281. It's literally never been this easy. It's literally never been this easy. Now there is one problem. Obviously, I got that exception. It's just literally never been that easy. Okay, I don't even know. I honestly don't even know what to do with this. But I still have one. I still have one problem, which is I get a exception here. Invalid argument, substring bytes. First digit, last digit. Yep, 1 right here. Okay, so we're successfully doing that one. Invalid argument, a string sub. How do I do a stack trace? What's a stack? How do I do a stack trace? Oh, you're right. This doesn't look right. 4, 7. Did I not do 6 correctly? No, 6 is looking correct. I mean, 6 is looking good. Hold on. Hold on. Wait, how did I get the correct answer and print that out? How did we get the correct answer? Okay, 2, 9. I'm not getting a 9 here. Okay, so our last digit is wrong. Get last named digit. Somehow got the correct answer. In reverse, you need to max position. You're right. Fudge, you're absolutely right. Chat, you shouldn't be giving me these hints. Now look, you messed up. You shouldn't do that. You shouldn't be giving me these hints. But you're absolutely right. But we still have this one problem. But here, let's go. Don't be giving me these hints, chat. Okay. All right, that looks correct. Okay, so we got those all done. Okay. So how do I get a stack trace? What is this, TJ? Interesting. I didn't even know about that. All right. Raise standard lib, invalid arg, file standard lib, line 30, string ml, find last file, day 1, line 54. All right. What is 54? 54. All right. It should be called all right. What's the problem here? Invalid argument in file standard lib. But what's the invalid argument? I'm curious what the invalid argument is. Am I just getting it too long? Is that what's happening? Is that what's going down here? Wait. Why are you being why is that a problem? Oh, because of that. Yeah.